Today, we are going to make molasses at home with 3 simple ingredients. Molasses can be very useful when you are making gingerbread cookies, cinnamon rolls, or toffee pudding. You can also use it in savory dishes and beverages to give that distinct flavor. Before we get into today's recipe, if you are looking to level up your baking game, turn simple ingredients into stunning desserts while mastering the professional recipes at ease, then you have come to the right place, because that's exactly what I do. I upload recipes once a week. And if this sounds delicious to you, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly uploads. Now, let's get on to the recipe. To make homemade molasses, take brown sugar in a saucepan. Then add some water, which will help in diluting brown sugar and stimulate the stickiness of molasses. Then we will add lemon juice, which will prevent recrystallization of brown sugar. Measurements to all the ingredients are given in description. After adding all the ingredients in saucepan, turn on heat. Keep stirring the mixture in between so it doesn't stick to the bottom of pan or get burned. Once the mixture starts to shimmer, check the consistency of molasses on your spatula. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes to complete the process. Once you see it has become sticky and takes time to slide off the spatula, you are almost done. Now wait for 30 seconds, then turn off the heat. Let the mixture come to room temperature. Then you can use it in making your gingerbread cookie or cinnamon rolls. You can also store it in an airtight container for 1 to 2 months. If you enjoyed today's recipe, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly uploads. If you have any suggestion for recipes or query related to your baking journey, then feel free to DM me on any of the social media platforms. My ID is Crazy Chef Kishan. I read and reply to almost all the DMs. Now, see you in the next delicious recipe.